against Kenya Kwanza's often stated pledge to subsidize production. We object. 9. Enhanced excise duty on imported cement. Kenya Kwanza wants to raise duty on imported cement. It will be a signal for local producers to raise their prices. This will impact the local construction industry, which is currently the main driver for job creation in Kenya. 10. Tax on beauty products. Kenya Kwanza wants to treat beauty as a luxury. Beauty products such as wigs, false beards, eyelashes, human hair, artificial nails, among others, will see their taxes rise from shillings 0.6 to shillings 25 per stamp, 2.5 per stamp. This is a 316% hike. Like digital economy, the beauty industry has become a major employer, particularly of our youth and women who have been unable to find work elsewhere. This is a home to hustlers. Now Kenya Kwanza is going after their earnings. We disagree. Ladies and gentlemen, Kenyans cannot be taxed to the bone just because of Kenya Kwanza's internal weaknesses. Rather than increase taxes, the regime must undertake the following. 1. An immediate stoppage of non-essential government expenditures, including the appointment of chief administrative officers. 2. Reduction in size of government, excess cabinet secretaries, principal secretaries, directorates, advisors, aides, departments, and castes are gobbling up finances for the no good value for money.